this is definitely going to interest you. So if you're a user of Proto Structure, most especially, or any other automated software like Staad.pro, eTabs, and the likes, now this is going to make your job way more easier and faster. This is what we call the GreYpiLes. This is basically for pile foundation. So if you are one who always work on pile foundation or once in a while, but as an engineer, it's important that you have this anyway. Now you can see this is GreYpiLes. I'm working on it. This is going to be launched very soon. On the 17th of August, this is going to be launched, and by the time we launch this is going to be 20,000 naira. But for now, you can take advantage of this before it is fully launched, and we can give it out for pre-launch 10,000 naira. So all you need to do is just to put in your information. You know the diameter, the cross section of your column is 230 by 230, for example. And here you are at liberty to choose what type of column, whether it's a rectangular column or a circular column. You can put in your column service load. So just type in the load. Let's say it's 950, for example. If you put in that information, you put your pile safe working load. You know your safe working load. You get that from your soil report as well. So your soil report tells you the safe working load that you should use from the soil test, right? And then you know the diameter of the pile that you should use. The diameter of the pile is also always suggested from the soil report, and then that's by the geotechnical engineer. So this depth of the pile also is suggested by the geotechnical engineer as well. So you can specify the grade of your concrete. You are at liberty. There's a drop down menu here that allows you to select the grade of your concrete, and then there's also a drop down menu that allows you to select the grade of your steel. Then you have a concrete cover. You put in those information, boom, automatically it tells you you have a pile layout here that shows you from this pile layout that you are going to be using based on the information you have provided. So it's going to be two piles. This design will be two piles, and it will also propose the cross section of your pile cap, right? So it will propose the cross section of your pile cap, and then tell you the reinforcement thickness, and then the links of your pile as well, at what distance, as what spacing that those links are going to, and then the thickness of your links as well is going to be proposed by this particular package. So we are working on it. It's not fully ready yet, so but you can take advantage of it at this stage and pre-order this now and thank me later. My name is Abel Grekantoma, and I'll see you on the next one.